Hello Internet, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonam Toronto's channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys a Dyson V11 Total Clean. How to clean. You're gonna see in details. I will round up in 5 minutes. It's a very easy to use and easy to clean. So first, the V11 is really durable and very convenient. So I'm going to show you how to dismantle this and how to clean, how to maintain your vacuum. Okay, let's go. Okay, first take this out and all these parts, pull this out, press the right button, pull out, and first we're gonna clean this. To clean this and these, all you need is a brush, toothbrush, and round brush. That's all you need. A house painting, a brush, that works too. So let's start here. First, this one, the brush, we need to clean inside too, right? To open this brush, all you need is coin, right? So twist that one anti-clockwise, full turn, and then pull out. How easy and simple is that? Right now, right, and use the brush and then towel, or you can wash it. If it's dirty like this, you can wash it. Okay, I'm gonna wash it, this one, and then I'm gonna clean that one. If you have any hair sticking around. So pretty much clean, but I'm gonna wash this one. Okay, and second one here, same thing. Pull. It's clean. So I'm gonna put it back. Click it. And then put this one back. Okay, and then you need a loonie or the screwdriver. There you go. It's clean. And then check. Clean. Clean. And then you gotta check here if there is any debris and dust. Okay, these are the light cleans. Okay, now next we go to the main one. The filter. This is one of the most important. Okay. See this? Now this one, with the warm water or cold, doesn't matter. Just I would prefer a lukewarm water with a little soap. And then I wash it, clean it, and then dry it, and then I'm gonna put it back. Okay, simple. Okay, now the next one is the main frame, the tank. So the tank, in order to open this main tank, we need to this one, press this one, open. Just that simple, very simple. And then I'm gonna brush it a little bit. This is the one main hole here. You gotta clean that one too. So this one is pretty dirty. So I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, then after you wash this, I'm gonna do it later on. Let's assume that this is washed, and then I'm gonna put it here. See here, in the middle, just push down, and then push. Done. So this is it. Please comment below if it helps for you. Make sure like, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.